Guys, welcome to our channel Home Decor PK. Today I show you in this video. Here is possible wall hanging craft ideas shared today in this video. Get creative, add a personal touch of to your home decor with these amazing wall hanging craft ideas. In this video, we are sharing to 10 most beautiful, unique, and easy to make and wall hanging craft project to elevate your home and stylish to charm. From drastic to modern and from a simple to intricate, we got you project from every taste and skill level. Some of the wall hanging craft ideas featured in this video includes plants hangers to wall hanging die a wall hanging with the yarn and the twin palette wood wall hanging with the cords to patterns to hand painted canvas wall hanging with the abstract to design nature inspired wall hanging with leaves to branches to flowers and recycled to materials to wall hanging and the bottle cups to keys to fabric scarf and paper to geometric pattern to wall hanging with the paper to fabric boho chick with the wall hanging with the fringes to tassels of palms in the monogrammed wall hangings to with entitles to or names seasonal wall hanging for a holiday special auctions introductions to plant hangers to dive on wall hangings to uncycled pallet to wood walls hanging in this video. My video parts to wall hanging craft and home decor, dye wall hanging and the woven wall hanging to hand painted to hand crafted ideas, nature inspired, recycled materials to make. This highlights the variety of the wall hanging craft ideas that will feature to in this video and provides to brief overview and most beautiful unique designs shared today. Viewers expected to see the time stamps to keywords help and viewers to navigate to video to find specific project to also help our video pairs to in the search result for the related topic. I hope you like my video today. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more videos update. Thanks for watching.